How to create services. Let's look at services, different types of pricing, how to add them, and how to optimize them for online booking. You can find service configuration in Settings, then Services. On the left-hand side, all your service categories will be listed. Each category can have multiple services within them. We do categories mainly for online booking. Your customers will see the categories here, and there will be services within each category. There are 3 pricing options to choose from: per service or units, per hour, and per packages. Let's look at price per package first. The example I have created here is deep cleaning. Let's select Home Deep Cleaning. After choosing the booking frequency, your customers will be able to choose one of the options from the filter here. In this case, how many bedroom? Let's select 2 bedrooms. And within 2 bedrooms now, there are 3 packages to choose from. You can call these whatever you like and add as many packages as you want. Let's select the first one. In Extras, let's choose 2 windows and a balcony. They can then leave notes if any. Now, let's create a price per package service. So first, we will create a service category called Deep Cleaning. Select Show on Customer Platforms so it can be seen on Online Booking and Customer app. We will also select an icon. You can choose the ones we provided, or you can upload your image. We recommend white icon without background and in PNG format. Now let's create a service. We will call it Home Deep Cleaning. Supporting text is to provide information to your clients. For example, we can put starting from $200. Select an icon and yes, I want to show it on my website and a customer app. Auto Assign feature is only for online bookings. If you turn it on, then 2 things will happen. A, it will only show your clients time slots where you have crew availability. And B, it will automatically assign the available crew. We prioritize the crew that is the closest distance from other jobs and does the selected service. If it's a repeat client, then priority is given to crews who have visited this client before. If you turn Auto Assign off, your clients will be able to book regardless of crew availability. However, admins can then decide to accept the job and allocate a crew. We recommend turning Auto Assign on to avoid double bookings. You can select or create a checklist for the service so your crews can fill it out during their job. But we will cover the checklist in detail in another video. You can then choose a color for the service. Let's select the price per package. We need filters to ask them how many bedrooms they have. Filter name, how many bedrooms. Supporting text. Please select one of our following packages. And the first option will be 1 bedroom. Package name, 1 bedroom, no bath. Put some details for the service, ideally in 3 lines. The price per package is $200, and it will take 2 hours for the service. It's best to select hours so that Brilliant can check availability for the service. Otherwise, by default, it will come as a half-an-hour job. Finally, you can select your time slots for the service. So now they can only book it at 8, 10, 1, 3, and 4 o'clock. If you don't turn on time slots, then Brilliant won't show time slots based on availability. Instead, it will just show all your working hours at a half-hour interval. If you have turned on Auto Assign, you must turn on the time slots. Let's create another package, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and repeat the process. Now let's create another option, 2 bedroom. Package name, 2 bedroom, no bath, and again repeat the process. Once we have added all the packages, we can now select the kind of frequency we want to allow our customers to choose from. I will select one time, monthly, and quarterly. If they select monthly, I will give them a 10% discount. Let's add supporting text. Please choose your preferred frequency. Then let's add some notes so your clients know what to expect from the service. You can also change the header if you like and add points. Now let's add some extras. I will call it Don't Forget the Add-ons. Extra name, Windows. Supporting text. Please select the number of windows. Select an icon. If you want them to select single window cleaning, then select single unit. But for this example, let's price them based on several windows, so we will go with multiple units. Now, if you just want to have a single price per window, you can select single price. But for this example, let's reduce our prices per window if they have a lot of windows, so we will go with dynamic pricing. Unit of measure is windows. You can set minimum units. Let's keep it at a minimum of 2 windows. From 1 to 5 windows, we will charge $10 per window, and it takes half an hour for each window. And from 6 to 100 windows, we will charge $8 per window. Let's add another simpler extra called balcony. Supporting text. Select this service if you want your balcony cleaned. Select an icon. It's a single unit and it costs $60. Once the service is created, you will now add a job for this service. Let's go to Schedule, Daily View, click a time under a crew to assign a job to them. Type in the customer name or number. Let's say it's a 2-hour job. In Services, select Home Deep Cleaning. Then select the preferred package and turn on the extras that are required. Let's say Windows, 6 of them, and done. Now let's look at price per service or unit. I have created an example under Upholstery Cleaning, Rug Cleaning. First, they will select frequency. Then they will select one or more of the 3 units, 3 small rugs, 1 medium and 1 large. Each of them can have multiple units. I have also dynamically priced it, so it gets cheaper per rug if they add more rugs. Now let's create a price per service or unit. Let's go back to Settings. We have already created the service category. If you have missed it, please use the timestamp to watch it. Let's click on Add Service, Service Name Rug Cleaning. Supporting text starting from $50 per rug. We have also gone through Auto Assign. You can use the timestamp if you have missed it. Now let's select the price per service or unit. You will select Per Service if your entire service has a single price. But in this case, we have different sizes of rugs, and each of them has different pricing, so we will go with Per Unit. Put in the unit name Small Rug. In supporting text, we can add, how many small rugs do you want to be cleaned? Select a small rug icon. We want our clients to select multiple small rugs, so we will go with Multiple Units. Unit of measurement is rugs. If the price of the rug remains the same regardless of the number of rugs, then you can select Single Price. But we want our prices to be lower if they select more rugs, so let's go with Dynamic Pricing. So from 1 to 2 rugs will be $50 each, and it will take half an hour for each rug. And from 3 to 100 will be $40 each, which will take half an hour each. If you want the minimum to be at least 2 rugs or more, you can turn on minimum units and make it 2. Let's repeat this process 2 more times to add a medium and large rug. Now for this example, let's show time slots based on the number of rugs, so we will select Dynamic Time Slots. If they select 1 to 10 rugs, we will give morning 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. slots. You can add more if you like. If it's anything more than 10 rugs, let's only give morning 8 a.m., giving our crews enough time to finish the job. I have already covered frequency, notes, and extras above. Please use the timestamp to watch it. Then we can save it. Once the service is created, you will now add a job for this service. Let's go to Schedule, Daily View, click on the plus icon. Type in the customer name or number. Let's say it's a 2-hour job. In Services, select Rug Cleaning. Then turn on the Small Rug 6 units and Medium Rug 1 unit. Select Extras if you like and save. Finally, let's look at the price per hour. By default, you will find a residential cleaning service priced per hour when you sign up with Brilliant. Per hour is very simple logic. Your users will select the frequency, number of crews, the number of hours. If they select 2 hours and 2 crews, that's calculated as 4 hours. We have a minimum of 2 hours here, and I have priced in a way so it's cheaper if they select more hours. So you will notice the price drop as we select 3 hours. Now there are 3 kinds of extras. First kind is the additional amount per hour. Cleaning supplies add $10 per hour to the parent's $30 per hour, making it $40 per hour. The second kind is additional hour. It means balcony adds another hour to the job. It's no longer a 3-hour job, it's a 4-hour job now. Lastly, we have per service or unit. So vacuum is just adding $50 to the job amount. Now let's create a price per hour service. By default, price per hour will already be created for you. You can change the service name from here. Select icon, supporting text starting from $25 per hour. Show on customer platforms. Please click on the auto-assign timestamp of the video if you have missed it and select a color. We will leave the text hour. In supporting text, how many hours would you like? This is the supporting text for several crews. Let's put how many crews would you like? Unit of measurement, we will leave it as HR. Now, I would like to give them a discount if they select a weekly or every other week booking, so I will change the price to $25 in these places. Put $25 for weekly, every other week, twice a week to 6 times a week. In supporting text, please select the preferred frequency. You can also increase the amount for fewer hour bookings. If my clients are booking for 2, I want to add $5, which means their one-off booking price of a 2-hour job is now $35 an hour instead of $30 per hour. Let's select 2-hour min and 10-hour booking maximum. We can provide time slots based on the hours they are booking. For example, if they are making a 2 to 3 hour booking, I want to show time slots of 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. If they make a 4-hour booking, I only want to show 8 and 1 o'clock time slots. If they select 5 or more hours, it can only be 8 a.m. Please keep in mind this is only for online booking. Admins can make a booking whenever they like. Now let's add some extras. First, we will add an extra that adds amount per hour. Let's select per hour, additional amount. Call it cleaning supplies. Select icon mop, show on the website. Supporting text, choose this if you would like us to bring cleaning supplies. Price it $5 an hour. Next, we will add an extra that adds an hour to the job. Let's click Add New Extra, per hour, additional hours. Name it Balcony. Select an icon. Select Show on the website and mobile app. Supporting text. Would you like us to clean your balcony as well? And it will add 1 hour to the job. Finally, let's add an extra that adds amount, add new extra, price per extra and unit. Let's call it vacuum. Price it $50. Select Show on the website and mobile app. Supporting text, would you like us to bring our own vacuum? And then save it. Now let's see how to create a job for the service as an admin by going to Schedule, Daily View. Click the plus icon. Type in the customer name or number. Let's say it's a 2-hour job. In Services, select Residential Cleaning. For extra, let's select Cleaning Supplies, per hour, and finally add Vacuum too. Select a crew, and now you can save it. If this client called and wants to extend his job for another hour, you can stretch for an extra hour, automatically reflecting on the job amount and invoice. The price only changes for hourly jobs. That wraps up about services and how to create them. Thanks for watching.